Hello and welcome to another episode in the garage. In this episode, I'm going to check the compression, and that is because I found a screw missing out of the intake port on the last episode, which is super scary because that means that engine's been running lean on that cylinder for who knows how long, and that has the potential of wrecking some stuff. So we definitely have to check that because the engine health is number one priority, and after that, then you can make it look cool. So here we go. Okay, so before I get started on the compression check, I just gotta know, how much weight have I actually taken off the bike? It's been killing me to know that actual number and tell you what it is. So let's get that taken care of real quick, and then we'll get after the compression check. Well, all right. Now that that's done, I can finally set my mind at ease. I've not been lying to people. I've been estimating, what I took off my bike the last time. Obviously, I didn't have the ability to weigh everything as I was working on it. So about 200 pounds is what I've been saying. So that was pretty darn accurate. All right, let's get this crap back to the house. So, compression check. I'm a little concerned about it because I started digging into the engine and looking at stuff, and I noticed that one of the air screws was missing. The one that plugs the side of the intake port. Who knows how long that's been missing. It did run several times with that missing. I'm here for sure. So I'm gonna get that one out first. Set that, mark it down, and then we'll check every one of them, make sure that everything's looking to the spec it should, and if it's fine, great. If not, I do have some gasket kits to start digging into it a little further. So I guess next step is get that first plug out and see where we're at. It's not too bad. I would have guessed it'd be a lot more burnt than that. Well, that's good. Okay. The other side off. Engine doesn't have to try very hard, and we don't start it with the headers missing. Now they actually look pretty dang good, other than that one. Get it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Here we go. So this is the one that was missing the screw. I just replaced them with some new ones and some crush washers, brass washers actually, so they'll seal it up a little bit better. And we're gonna give it a shot, I guess. I'll start with this one because this is a bad one, but here it goes. Push that sucker in here a little bit. All right, here we go. So the information that I read is that you have to pull the throttle wide open when you do this. It helps with accurate readings. So that is what we're going to do, and then we'll just write it down here somewhere. Here goes. Full throttle. Start. Okay. 175. 175. Ready? Now here's hoping this one isn't like 250 or something. You're really bad. I'll look up the stock pressure after we're done. But for now, we'll just get the numbers and then we'll figure out what they mean later. Okay. This is kind of hard to do by yourself. Okay. Stay. Okay. Full throttle. Okay, so it's 85. Alrighty, it's already not off to a great start, but whatever. Other side. Fancy roll around seat broke, so desperate times, I guess. Here we go. Okay. See if we can't. Should do like a hang it up or something. That's what a smart man would do. Alright. Stay. Push. Go. $185. Getting somewhere. 185. Okie dokie. Here's hoping for 185. A little easier. definitely something going on with that other cylinder, but it's not like crazy off. Probably not off enough to be super worried about it. Let's find out. Actual readings are not important, but the difference in the reading is. It says it should be about 170, but it doesn't want to be any different than 15. Wow, that went way better than expected. I honestly can't believe, after running with that screw out, that it isn't worse off than it is. According to the numbers, this book says that it's okay. 10 psi, no big deal. I talked to the owner, he's aware of it, so he's good with it, I'm good with it, and we're just going to move on to doing cool things. I got a couple really neat things cooking up here that I can't wait to show you guys, but for now, we're going to have to end this video here. So thank you all for watching, and as always, you guys be careful out there.